Tuesday, August 16th. It's probably going to be our last 100-degree day today, so I'll probably be planting these in the next week or two. This one's been overheated by the sun, and I moved it into the shade, and it's growing out the base there. And the one that did this last year, it went ahead and died the first time it got hot, so I'll put it in the ground, but don't have much hope for it. And over here, I have 3 more 7Gs that I bought when they went on sale. They too have had a little bit of sunshine damage, but they've survived pretty good. The ones that did this last year came out nicely this year and even produced some nuts now. So once they get acclimated to the weather, they seem to do fine. These are even putting on a little new growth now.